Good morning, class. I am your math teacher and I am Miss Cyril. So in this subject, I'm going to tell you the do's and don'ts in my class. Okay, class, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am!
Go.
Yes, ma'am na.
So today we're going to tackle about addition and subtraction of binomials. Any volunteers to answer the problem on the board? Okay, miss, what's your name?
Ikaw Reyes po.
Okay, stand up and solve the problem on the board. Okay, Ms. Reyes, this is correct. You may now take your seat. Okay, class, pay attention. Why is this answer correct? Let me explain. This is answer should be 1. And if you add this, we have 3. Then, copy the word 10 plus 8. But because of this raise equals 9, 2x plus 9 is our final answer. Okay, class, try to answer this in your notebook.
Shin, may sasabihin sa na appreciation.
So yun, miss mo.
Paano ko ba itong project mo? May ka-Valentine ka na ba ngayon?
Bakit gusto mo ba ako yung maging Valentine's Day? At doon mo simula yung ano namin, di ba? Magkakabili mo. Hindi na...
Dinadalaw mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, haplos mo